Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Simtect. This is their iPhone 14 Pro case with sliding camera cover. And this is really important if you need to protect those cameras on the back of your iPhone 14 Pro. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at this cell phone case from Simtect. Again, a very interesting idea with the sliding cover for your camera modules on the back. Probably one of the easiest things to damage other than the screen itself on any smartphone, especially now that these camera modules are getting bigger and bigger. Inside, we do have a little warranty card here that you will get, so hold on to that. And you will also, of course, get the case. So we're going to take that out and take a look at it. Now, this case is military-grade shockproof, and it also has on each four corners something they call a runway for cushioning the device itself. It's also coated with a nano oleophobic coating to resist fingerprinting. So you're not going to get a lot of fingerprints on this case, and it's going to feel good in your hand, kind of like almost like a soft touch feel to it. But the rounded corners make gripping it very, very easy. All the cutouts on here, as you can see, are precise. They do have button covers, which give you nice click and feedback as well. Of course, you do have this door up here that you can just slide over to protect the lenses of your iPhone 14 Pro. Very, very nice, kind of locks into place when it's open and locks into place when it's closed. So let's get a iPhone 14 Pro in there so that you can check this out and see how it covers each one of these camera modules on the back and protects that from damage. Sliding the phone in is going to be pretty much like sliding any phone into any case, pretty much here. Easy to do, no problems whatsoever. I did leave a screen protector on here, so you can see that it is screen protector friendly. It's not going to bump up against your screen protector. And it does have some protection other than the door itself. It's got a raised edge on the back of 2.7 millimeters for the camera bezel. And this is so that even if you don't have the door closed and you set it down on a table, it's not going to touch your cameras. And then on the front side, we do have a 1.2 millimeter screen bezel. So if you tend to set your screen side down on a table or something like that, then you're going to be protected that way as well. So you can see they've got that nice raised area there. Instead of getting like individual lens covers for the back, this just makes a lot more sense to me, in my opinion. Of course, when I fully want to protect it, all I have to do is slide it over, it'll click into place, and now I have a totally covered camera array that protects it from fingerprints, protects it from dust, and then even if you drop it or something like that, you don't have to worry about it. Now you can see that even with this little bit of a bump that we have on the back, it's rock solid on a table, so it's not going to move on you. All the cutouts are nice and precise. So we don't have any problems there with cutouts, your charge port, your speakers, all your buttons. Everything is nicely cut out on this and feels responsive, especially the buttons. So overall, this is a really nicely designed case, in my opinion, that really kind of solves that problem of protecting your cameras. Even if you don't want to use your cameras, you can keep the dust and fingerprints out of there just by closing the door. You'll also notice on all four corners they've got what they're calling a runway here, a runway bumper, and this is to add extra shock protection on the corners just in case you may have dropped your phone or something like that. Again, the nano oleophobic coating on there, you can see no fingerprints really show up. So this is a really nice case here. It's got some good grip to it, but also feels nice and smooth at the same time with that coating. Easy to get your phone in and out of, but Definitely nice, precise cutouts. It's not going to go anywhere. And of course, being able to protect all of your cameras with this kind of door design really makes sense to me. So there you go. That's my review of the Simtect iPhone 14 Pro case with sliding camera cover. Again, I really do like the cover itself. It's much more attractive to have that than individual lens covers, and works out really, really well in my opinion. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.